Hi, I'm Richard from Evolve Floors. If you're thinking about new flooring for your home, choosing the right provider can make all the difference, not just for how your floors look, but for your peace of mind. When you're comparing flooring companies, here are a few things you should always consider. Use a qualified installer. Make sure your provider only uses qualified professionals for site measures and installation. At Evolve Floors, our certified installers handle every measure, so you get an accurate quote, and your warranty is protected from the very start. Look for a good range and quality products. Our Gold Coast showroom features more than 100 options across vinyl, carpet, hybrid, and timber flooring, including exclusive ranges you won't find anywhere else. Proven track record. With over 6,000 floors installed, including high-rises and family homes, our experience speaks for itself. Check out our gallery and Google reviews for real results. Quotes should be transparent with no maybes. Our quote includes everything your project needs. We know your floor is an investment. That's why we guarantee a detailed, all-inclusive quote within 24 hours of your site measure. So the only thing we won't provide you with is a nasty surprise on install day. A proper in-home quote should be clear, thorough, and stress-free. Our qualified installer will visit your home, answer your questions, and take precise measurements. No guesswork, no risk of underquoting. You'll receive your comprehensive quote within 24 hours, tailored to your space and needs. And we explain everything up front so you know exactly what to expect, with no last-minute surprises. If you're ready for new floors without the stress, visit our award-winning Gold Coast showroom here in Mollendina, or request your free, no-obligation quote at evolvedfloors.com.au. With Evolve Floors, you get quality, transparency, and a team that's with you every step of the way. Thanks for considering Evolved Floors. We look forward to helping you transform your home the right way.